Price is only an issue if there is an absence of value. So if you're currently running a business or you're in a position where you're struggling, trying to figure out why you can't sell more of your product or service, or maybe you're getting negative feedback saying your product or service is too expensive, I want you to ask yourself, is there enough value there for the consumer? Hey guys, it's Chris Waters. In the coaching tip of the week, we're going to talk about how price is only an issue in the absence of value. So you have to make the decision. Do you want to, based off your set of services you offer, do you want to discount that cost and do more transactions to get the same benefit or the same revenue, profit, etc.? Or do you want to do less transactions, increase your value or the benefits to the consumer for that product or service, and potentially keep the total number of transactions the same, but actually do make more profit per deal because you can increase the price. Thanks for tuning into the coaching tip of the week. If this is your first time tuning in, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and hopefully this was helpful as you're going down your journey of acquiring customers and trying to identify if you're offering enough value and enough benefit to the consumer to substantiate the price you're trying to charge.